Welcome everyone to the Tiny House Battle livestream. Today we're putting two giants head-to-head, Amazon versus Home Depot. Drop your vote in the chat now, Amazon or Home Depot. Let's get into it. First up, the Amazon Tiny House. Price tag, anywhere from $45,000 to $65,000. You get modern design and big glass windows, loft bedroom and clever space-saving layouts, a DIY kit delivered to your door. Imagine clicking buy now, and a house shows up. Fast, modern, click-and-ship convenience. Amazon strengths, speed, and sleek design. Now let's check out Home Depot's luxury tiny home kits. These run $40,000 to $80,000. Heavy-duty lumber, customizable floor plans, and in-store support. Some kits include porches, full kitchens, and multiple bedrooms. Perfect if you want durability with your design. Home Depot brings customization and build support. Home Depot highlights durability and variety. So here's the showdown. Amazon = fast shipping plus sleek modern vibes. Home Depot = durable builds plus customization. Both sit in that $40K to $80K range. Both scream luxury tiny living. But would you rather click and ship or build it your way? All right, tiny house fans, the battle is on. Comment below, Amazon or Home Depot. Don't forget to smash that like, hit subscribe, and share this battle. Links to both tiny houses are in the description. This has been the Tiny House Battle live stream. Until next time, live big in your tiny home. Subscribe for more tiny house battles. Vote in the comments, and we'll feature your picks next time.